Good day viewers, my name is Wayford. Welcome to my 7th Java tutorial, and in this tutorial we'll be talking about a logical statement. And I believe and I know the only logical statement I know for now is an if statement. So we'll be talking about the if statement. Do I need this in this program? Okay, let me still leave the scanner. So before I go into this, I would like to introduce you to some logical operator, which is the and. Okay, I'm coming. I'll be right back. So welcome back. I had to quickly document this down. So these are the three logical operators we have in Java. We have the and it is denoted with the ampersand, the double ampersand sign. I forgot to include that. So when writing a program and you want to use the and sign, you use the double ampersand sign. And all what the and means is when it is in a logical in a logical statement, that's the if statement, you make use of the ampersand, and any condition you are put using the and for, you should know all conditions must be met. So let's go into Eclipse to do a little example using the and statement. So welcome to Eclipse, and let's write a simple example with the and statement. So let's say int a equals to 3, and then int b equals to 4. Then the if statement, if this is how to use an if statement. If a oops, how am I gonna do this? So if a equals to, let's say, equals to 3, so this is where the and comes in, and then b equals 4. We'll still talk about the equal sign, so that's a relational operator. Then system loud of print line the rows are equal. So they both are equal. So what the program is saying is if a is equals to 3 and then b is equal to 4, then the program should print out this. So let's run this and see. You can see what we have down here, the both are equal. Let's try to change something here to 2. So let's see what's the output going to be. You see we don't have an output here because the two conditions must be met. Because a is equal to 2 and here originally a is 3, so the two conditions are to be met for these statements to work. So let's take it back to 3 and then run it again and see. You can see the both are equal. So that is what the and statement does. The two conditions must be met before it performs its instruction. So let's go back to the word, and here I have the or statement. The or statement means either of the conditions must be met, and this is the symbol for the or statement. It's press the shift backward slash. So let's go into Eclipse to make use of the or statement. So we can still use this example. We just need to change this to the or statement, and then let me use the or statement. So if a is equal to b or b is equals to 4, the both are equal. So let's run this. I think I should get the both are equal even if I change this to 8, but because of the or sign, either of the condition must be met. You see, we still have the both are equal. I believe we get this. So now the third thing I have here is the not, and the not is denoted with the exclamation mark. So let's go into Eclipse to use that. So if a is not equal to 8 and b so you can see that's the not sign. Okay, this is even quite different Okay, anyways, oh, that's just that about the logical operator, because I've actually imputed a relational operator here, which is the not. So let's just go into that. So if a is not equal to 8 and b is not equal to 4, then print this out. So let's run this. So you can see, because of the and sign, that is why I don't have an output. So let me change it to the or sign. Either of the condition must be met. So here I should have the both are equal. You see, a is not equal to b, and b is not equal to a. So because this condition is right, that's why we have the output here. See, the first thing I have on my relational operator here is the greater than sign, the less than sign, the greater than or equal to, the equal to, and then the not equal to. And in the program I've used some of this. So let's come here and use the first one. A is greater than b. A is greater than b. If a is greater than b, then do this. We know a is not greater than b, so we can't have this. So that's what the greater than does. So the next thing here is the less than. I will be quick about this. I don't want to waste too much time on this. You can see a is less than b, then we have this. So that's correct. Then the equal to sign. It is different from the assignment sign. This is the equal to, like a is equal to b. It's different from a is 3. You see that? So the two are not equal, so I don't need to have an output here. You see? So let me change this to 4 and then run this. Then I should have the both are equal. You see? And then the next thing I have here is the less than or equal to. So let's say a is less than or equal to b. We know a is less than and it is also equal to. So let's run this and see the output. You see, we have this. Let's use this as 2. We'll still have the both are equal. You see, let's use the greater than or equal to. Let's say a is greater than or equal to. So if it is greater and it is a is greater than or equal to b, let's run this and see what the output is going to be. You see, we don't have an output. A is not greater than this and a is not equal to this, so the two conditions are not met. So let's use 9. Then we should have the both are equal. So you can see that we have also used the equal to sign and the not equal to sign. Let's use the not equal to once again. A is not equal to b, then we shouldn't have an output. Okay, if a is not equal to b, then we should have this. You can see a is not equal to this. So if it is, if a is not equal to b, okay, so if it is equal, then we shouldn't have an output. You can see we don't have an output. So I've covered the whole statement here. I've talked about the relational operators, I've talked about the logical operator, and I've talked about the logical statement, which is the if statement. So you can see, so in the next tutorial we'll be talking more about the if statement. We have the if else, we have the if else if statement. So in my next tutorial we're going to talk about that, because this tutorial is a little bit lengthy. So thank you for watching, and always remember to subscribe on my channel. It's the Way Forward Academy. Peace.